So for us to be able to determine the value of this account, they pretty much already plug everything in for us. And all we really need to do is follow PIMDOS for this. So PIMDOS. All right, so the first thing we need to do is look on the inside for parentheses. So we need to do everything here. So then it says multiplication and division. So we'll need to do 0.04 divided by 12. So let's go ahead and write that out. So we have 10,300 times 1 plus 0.04 divided by 12. So that will be something around. So when you're plugging this into your calculator, you should be sure to just like keep the numbers going on forever, even though I'm going to round here. So I'll do approximately 0.003333, and I'm going to leave a bunch of 3.